It's unboxing time! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I'm Anki and in today's video, I'm gonna show you what's inside Bella Box for the month of May. Like always, I'm always excited for Bella Box and to check out all the goodies, all the fun little things. Before starting my May unboxing, I would like to say that you guys can also purchase Bella Box and I have a coupon code for you all. So it's ANKIXBB, ANKIXBB, and you can get $5 off for your first box. Without doing any delay, let's get started. This month we have got blue box for May Bella Box and the product card inside is for May Bella Box Self Love Delivered. I have received almost 6 products this month. Number 1 is Essence Cosmetics, Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rice Atomic Heat Mask, full of mouth, and Crabtree and Evelyn Rose Satin Hand Cream, Coach Dream Perfume, Swiss Vitamin B3 Bellies Controlling Moisturizer, and in bonus I've received Palmolive Rose with Macadamia Oil Body Moisturizer. Wow, my box looks so beautiful with this colored highlighter glow like mermaid. There were around 6 products this month to choose, but I didn't do any opt-in because I just wanted to get surprising product. Everything was beautiful and I didn't want to choose anything. I'm happy that I got this mermaid highlighter. I can see there are like 6 colors inside this highlighter, and this will provide shimmering glow to my face, my cheekbones and all the high points, and in this quarantine time I can glow like a mermaid. Next shiny product in my box is Coach Dream Perfume. The scent combines bitter orange with the sensual warmth of gardenia, cactus flower and joshua tree. Wow, looks expensive and I can wear this when I go for a date. Oh, I forgot, I'm already married and we are in quarantine. Oh yeah, I'm always with him. No worries, next time. Next beautiful packaging product is Evelyn Rose Satin Hand Cream. According to product card, it has signature Evelyn Rose scent from Crabtree and Evelyn. It is a blend of Italian lemon, delicate rose and vetiver to smooth out our hands. This formula is extra nourishing and it leaves our skin very nourished and hydrated, and this also smells good like rose. Next product in my hand with a beautiful packaging with green and blue colored is Peter Thomas Both Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. It is perfect for reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and promotes healthy, radiant, younger looking skin. That's what I need, I guess. So next product in my hand is a bonus product for this month, that is Palmolive Rose with Macadamia Oil Body Moisturizer. I have used this product before, so I know it smells so good and it's so nice. The next product is a big size product, I think. Yay, I got 2 full size product. So this is a Switch Vitamin B3 Blemish Controlling Moisturizer. I tried in my hand. The smell is okay. I'm not that very fond of smell, but it is suitable for combination and oily skin. However, I have dry skin, but it worked in my hand, so I can just use it. I loved this brand because Swiss is also a carbon neutral company and this bottle is made from 100% recycled material. And I love to support those brands, those companies who always think of environment as well. The next product in my hand is wine voucher from Naked Wine. So I have already received a Naked Wine voucher before, but this is quarantine time and I'm happy to receive one more. It's just that I have to make a new account to get this offer. Next is just the ingredient card for all the product, and that's it. We received almost 7 products this month: Naked Wines, Palmolive, Swiss and mermaid highlighter, perfume, hand cream, lotion and whatnot, and I am excited to finish everything. Which one is your favorite, guys? For me, I can't choose. It's like everything is favorite for me. Coach perfume and highlighter and moisturizer and hand cream, like everything smells good. For this one, smell is okay, but rest of them, oh my god, I cannot wait to try and complete, like finish all the product and wait for next month product. Also, don't forget to buy your own Bella box. It's just $19.95 and you will get my $5 code off, that is OnkyXBB. See you in next month again for the June box and keep in touch. Bye bye.